Yeah. Come here. Good enough. That's good.
I could have been better dressed for this, but I'm not sure this is going to be it.
No, don't bother. You're not there for that forever. I want to see us up the hill.
No. See, that's why she took me. She's like you.
What's wrong with the fucking dog?
What do you mean?
She's nuts.
She loves it.
Yeah.
Okay, Rob, I really think I could have been better dressed for that one, so I don't think